A lot of the regular viewers of the channel have been asking me, how do I get really cool shots like this? Or this? And even this? Well, I'm about to reveal the secret, and it's right here in my pocket. No, it's not a rocket, it's a robot. A fully autonomous camera flying drone. This is the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max flying camera. This is the secret. Normally, when I'm out filming camping videos with my dog Juniper, this is what it looks like. I have to set up a camera on a tripod, find the right shot, and then capture the shot. Then, after I've captured the shot, I gotta walk all the way back and reset the camera. And it gets old, especially when you're out in the wilderness or you're on a trail somewhere. Now I just do this. I pull out the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max from my pocket. All I have to do is push a button and it will take off and watch me as I get the shot. It's like having my own personal camera crew with me at all times. Then after you get the shot, just put your palm underneath and it lands right in your hand. It comes pre-programmed with 15 different flight modes, so you don't even need to be a pilot to use this. You just push a button and let it do the work. All you have to do is hold it in front of you for a few seconds, then it knows it is supposed to follow you. That's all there is to it. Here's a few of those flight modes for you to check out right here. I'll touch on just a few of the features of this small but mighty beast. So it does use a micro SD card for memory capture, but it also has built-in memory, connects via USB-C. The camera has a gimbal. You can see that the props are guarded with a cage, and not only does that protect your fingers from being chopped off, but it also protects the props in the event of a crash. And this thing will crash. It's not perfect, but it is durable. It's built like a tank. I've crashed it a few times really hard and it's perfectly fine. If you want to get super nerdy and get into the settings inside here, you can really fine-tune all the pro settings with the app. Things like the color science, the exposure, obviously the resolution, even the way the drone performs and the controls. But you can also fly the drone with the app, and it has virtual joysticks that you can use with your thumbs, and it's actually very, very usable. You don't need to use the app to fly the drone. As you saw, you could just push a button and it does everything for you. But to unlock the real magic of this drone, you need this. This accessory is called the Beacon, and it's a modular controller that basically replaces the phone app and allows you to extend the range of the drone, but it also gives it ultimate control when it's following you in cycle mode and ski mode, because this will allow the drone to actually track you in 3D space. So it'll follow you around the trees and between the tight spaces. Basically, it leaves breadcrumbs for the drone to follow your exact path. And if you plan on using the drone for cycling or skiing, I really highly recommend that you get this. The beacon also does have an OLED screen on there, so it can see a first-person view of what the drone is seeing, and you can mount it to your handlebars with an included action camera mount. It makes using this really easy and fun. Another standout feature of the beacon is its modular design. In seconds, it snaps together into a traditional dual-stick drone controller. It gives you a familiar flying experience similar to most drones on the market. Built-in brackets swing out to securely hold your phone, and it comes with cables for both Apple and Android devices, so you're ready to fly right out of the box. Whether you're a professional content creator or just somebody who likes to capture your memories in a creative and fun way, this drone is for you, and I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed. It's been a game changer for me in the way I like to produce content. So make sure you head to the description, click the link, and get an X1 Pro Max for yourself at a very good price, and you will thank me later. Take care, everybody. Thank you to the Patreon subscribers as always, and Juniper and I will see you nowhere very soon. Be good to each other, get outside. See you next time. Peace.